Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This is going to be covering 2A through 2C. I'm going to go over questions 1 and 2. It says for us to identify the following. How many terms are there? What is the coefficient of the third term? What is the constant? And what is the degree of the polynomial? Let's do number 1 here. This is already in standard form because the exponents here, 3, 2, 1, and 0, are already in descending order. So they asked for how many terms. Let's take a look physically. This is one term. This is your second term. This is the third term. And this is going to be the fourth term. So you would say here that there are 4 terms here. Then it says, what is the coefficient of the third term? So we take a look here at the third term. The coefficient is just referred to this number right here. So we would say that -2 is the coefficient of the third term. Coefficient of third term. Then the next part of the question says, what is the constant? The constant is very unique. The constant has a degree of 0. So it would be the fourth term. This would be the constant because it has no variable. So you would say 12 is the constant. Then lastly, what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is referred to the highest exponent. So this is the highest here of 3. So you would say that 3 is the degree of the polynomial, because that is the largest. There you go. Let's do number 2 now. How many terms are here? Let's count. There is 1 term, there is 2 terms, and there are 3. So you would say that there are 3 terms to the polynomial. And they say, what is the coefficient of the third term? We'll take a look. It's right here. We would say that -6 is the coefficient. Then it asks us, what is the constant? Remember, the constant is referred to when it is without a variable, and it is right here. It is, they don't write it because it's really 0, but it's there. So you would say that 0 is the constant. Then lastly, it asks us, what is the degree of this polynomial? And the degree would be the highest value here for the exponent, and it is a 3. So we would say that it 3 is the degree of the polynomial. There you go. That is how you classify different things about the polynomial.